Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add a video to your Google Docs. But first, we actually have to open Google Slides first. Go to Insert, and I'm just going to select Video. You can use videos from YouTube, so I'm just going to write Velocity and find my video. Here you go. Select it and add it to the slide. Then you're going to want to copy it. So copy, go to Google Slides, Google Docs, insert drawing, new, and paste. Okay, just press Control V then. Now once you're done, you're just going to press save and close, and hopefully you can play that video here. And that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!